Today, I will show you how to create parametric table in Autodesk Revit. Open the New from Family section. Open Metric Furniture Template. Type UN for set the units, choose millimeter. Choose millimeter, then OK. Type RF to create reference plane. Create reference plane horizontally and vertically as shown on screen. Create dimension on reference plane as shown on screen and enable EQ. Create major dimension length and width. Select the dimension and create parameter for length and width. Edit the dimension 1200 mm and 800 mm. Arrange dimensions properly for good visibility. Switch to the front elevation view. Create one more reference plane for height of table. Create dimension for height. Select dimension and create height parameter. Edit the dimension change to 700 mm. Click the reference plane and double-click Create Name to Tabletop. Back to the reference level. Go to the Create panel and click Set the Work Plane, and choose Tabletop from the list, then click OK. Open the Extrude modifier, create rectangle, so as make sure all lines are locked. Set depth 40 mm and finish the edit mode. Save the file. Go to the Create panel and click Set the Work Plane, and choose Reference Level from the list, then OK. Create reference planes for legs as shown on screen. Create dimension for all legs. Select the all dimension for all legs and create parameters for legs. Open the family type window. Change the leg size 40 mm and length 1200 mm. From Create panel, open the Extrude modifiers. Create rectangle for all corner. Make sure all lines should be locked. Finish the edit mode and change depth to 700 mm to make the legs 700 mm tall. Switch to front view. Open the family type window. Change the height parameters. The parameter not working as expected. To fix this, select the solid and align with the reference plane, then click Lock button. Open the family type window and change height parameter, now working properly as expected. Open the 3D view and change visual style to shaded. Change the table depth to -40 mm to make it sit flush with the top of the legs. Unselect the model and go to Modify panel. Use Join Modifier. Select the model and create material for table. Go to Material Browser on the Property box. Create new material. Choose the material and rename to Table Wood. Select the material, open the Asset Browser. Choose Wood, then choose any material from Browser window. Click the small box below to replace the current material, then apply and close the window. Select the material and apply. Change to visual style to realistic to view the material. Thanks for watching. You like this video, please subscribe my channel.